In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to make one right and make one left. First of all, I'm going to show you make one right. So I'm going to work a few stitches in from the edge. Okay, so you make one right by putting the tip of the needle under this bar which lays between the two stitches from the back to the front. Then you knit it off through the front of the loop, which actually feels quite tight, but if it feels tight, then it's correct. And that gives you a little fashioning mark which leans towards the right. To make one left, you take the tip of the left needle from front to back through the bar between the two stitches, and then you knit it off through the back of the loop. If I just work a couple of stitches past it, you'll be able to see that you get a fashioning mark leaning towards the left. So that's your make one right and make one left.